Best herbs for bath soaks and recipes. Roses for self-love and emotional harmony. It enhances the skin and mood, and rosewater is good for soothing irritated skin. Calendula, it's a healing herb, and it's great for any type of dry skin, eczema, mosquito bites, or diaper rash. Lavender, which is relaxing, it's a mild antiseptic, and it aids in healing of tiny cuts, scratches, and bites. Peppermint, which is very aromatic and helps stimulate and uplift your mood. Also good for sore, painful muscles and headaches. Chamomile, which has the ability to soothe muscles, treat skin irritations, and promote healthy, restful sleep. Oats, which helps restore moisture to dry skin and enhance your appearance. It is also good for creating a protective barrier. Passionflower, which is a sedative, and it helps reduce redness, soothe the skin, and is used for sensitive skin and sensitive scalps. Comfrey, which promotes the growth of new cells, so it's good for conditioning, healing cuts and scratches, and pain from bruising. Hops, which is anti-inflammatory, and it soothes and brightens the skin. Soaking in this will leave the skin glowing and supple. Violet leaf, which is nourishing and brings flow and moisture back to the skin. This is really good during winter. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is really good for the skin, and it's soothing and great for immune support. Red clover, which helps maintain and retain moisture, smoothness, and collagen levels. It is great for psoriasis and eczema. Rosemary, which is good for blood circulation for dull, lifeless, and oily skin. It also helps, soothe sore muscles and joints as well. Ginger root, which helps detoxifies and increase blood circulation and sweating. So this is really good if you're not feeling well. Lemon balm, which has some antibacterial properties. It helps tone and balance, and it is also good for relieving stress and inducing sleep. If you're interested in starting your own combinations, here's a list of some herbs that go really good together.